We got some off-price crack ties, some miles and miles of carpet tiles, TVs, deep freeze and David Bowie LPs, pool games, gold chains, what's names and Etta Push, and Trevor Francis track suits from a mush and Shepherd's Bush. No income tax, no VAT, no money back, no guarantee. Black or white, rich or poor, we'll cut prices at a straw. Say magnifique, Hooky Street, magnifique, Hooky Street, Hooky Street, Hooky Street, Hooky Street, Hooky Street.
Neće moći ove noći.